of course, I have to get my hubby's point of view. So, this is an interview. What do you think?
Well, I think this gel is way better than all the others.
What?
Yeah, I think so because it bring out the shine, the darkness of the hair, the true. If I didn't know, I would have said it was a wig.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another natural hair video for this channel. In today's video, I will be doing yet another wash and go, but this time I will be trying out a new gel. I am so excited about this gel, you guys. After seeing a natural hair influencer's video, her curls was the bomb.
See if the do is gonna do or don't. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. I'm Jaisha.
She tried out that gel, you guys, and I was sold. I was like, I gotta go ahead and I gotta go and get this gel. So today I have it, and it is none other than the Doux. Yes, you guys, by Big Poppa, the Doux. I now have it in my hands, and I am so ready to get started on these beautiful curls. But before I start, let me read all what the Doux has to offer. It is a defining gel, popping curls, nutritious definition for all curls type. Okay, the Doux defines even the tightest curls while fighting frizz and humidity. No need for layering. Big Papa's built-in conditioner softens hair for touchable curls with no crunch or flaking. Washing goes, that's what I'm gonna do today. Twist, braids, teeny weeny afros, finger waves, sleek styles, and ponytails. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. First of all, let's talk about the price. You guys, this is more on the pricier side. Why I say that? Because I'm an eco style girl. And you guys, compared to Eco Styler Gel's price to this one, this is more on the pricier range. So I got mine for 13.95, and it is a 16 ounce. Okay, you guys, so 13.95. So the do better do its thing for me because I'm accustomed of buying $4, $5 max for my Eco Styler gel and also for my daddy's gel. But this one was more on the pricier side. So we're gonna open it first of all. Let me see what she's looking like. Okay, she is clear. She's clear. And I can already smell her from over there. Ooh, this smells good. I'm not exaggerating, you guys. Mm, this smells so good. So I can imagine how my washing good will smell at the end. So we gotta get started, you guys. Okay, you guys. So I went ahead and of course I sectioned my hair. And the brush that I will be using to style my hair is none other than the Bounce Curl brush. So let's go. I'm starting off with a little part. I'm gonna just put this away. I'm gonna start off by combing it out, the usual. And now I'm gonna apply the gel. This gel smells so good. Okay, it is thick. It is thick. Let's go. Okay, it is going on smoothly. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. It is literally defining my curls before I even go through it with my brush. Look at that, you guys. Wow. Okay, you guys. Okay, let me continue. Let me continue. It smells so good. Ooh, it smells really good. Really, really good. I love to apply a lot of gel because my hair is really thick. Okay, you guys saw that. Did you see how this gel is laying down my hair? Okay, this gel is laying down my curls. Look at that. Okay, we started off very good. This gel is really nice, you guys. Really. Look at that. I don't even need to use my bounce curl brush because look at that. The curls are being defined on their own. Oh, I am in shock, you guys. I am in shock, you guys. I love the slip of this gel. Oh, no. Whoa. The slip is, look at that. This gel is bomb when doing the shingling method. Look, I mightn't even have to use my bounce curls brush, you guys, because look at the slip. It gives you beautiful slip and it elongates your curls. And it is a thick gel. I love thick gels. And from what I read, it's not supposed to give you crunch. So let's see. Let's see. I am not exaggerating. I'm not dragging it or nothing like that. But wow. Look at that, you guys. The gel is just nice. It's a nice, nice gel. Ooh, okay. Let me continue. I'm making sure smoothing everything in for there to be no frizz. This is gorgeous. This is really, really, look at that. This is like how we just say in French, c'est impressionnant. This is just the bomb. Let me continue, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am now finished with one side of my hair, and this is what it is looking like. The curls are well defined. Look at that. I am really impressed with this gel. This gel is giving me a lot of slip, and I'm loving it. Okay, you guys, so this is what the end result is looking like. I'm speechless, you guys. First of all, let me talk about my technique that I did. Normally, I like to part my hair and then, or I like to part it either in the middle or to the side. Sorry, I have some gel on my forehead. I like to either part it side part or in the middle and then let my curls fall on each side. But I was like, let me go ahead and try this method that I saw from a lot of natural hair influencers. What they would do is do the same method that I did. They would put everything to the front. So they would let all their curls fall to the front. And then once finished, they will go ahead and flip their hair. And this is how the curls will fall on any side, middle, sides, and so on. So I am rocking my invisible part today. And now let me talk about this gel. So far, because my hair is not dry as yet, once my hair is dry, you will get the real raw results, but so far this gel has a lot of slip. I love the slip in this gel. I love how shiny and how healthy my curls are looking. I love I love how well defined it make my curls, and I love how frizz free my curls are. So this gel is a plus. I would say that it is worth the money. A lot of times we go ahead and buy expensive stuffs, and when you look, they are not worth the money. But this gel worth the money. So to do, you did your thing so far because my hair is not dry. So I'll go ahead and I'll let my hair air dry, and then I'll come back and let you guys see how everything is looking. But so far, I am pleased, you guys, and I am amazed on how my hair looks. It looks so different. The fact that I tried this technique. So if you haven't yet tried that technique, go ahead and try it. I always used to had a lot of not a lot. I always used to have my part go straight down to the middle, and then when I would turn my hair, you would actually see the part. But this time I have no part. Let me turn around for you guys to see. I hope you guys can see. So you see, there's no part in the middle, no awkward part in the back, nothing like that. So yeah, you learn as you go. So as I said, I'll come back and then I'll let you guys know how this curl, how this gel. You see, I'm so obsessed with curls. How this gel work for my curly hair. Catch you guys in a few. Okay, you guys, so I am back with the results. So my hair is not 100% dry. You can say it is like 85% dry. And of course, I have to get my hubby's point of view. So this is an interview. What do you think?
Well, I think this gel is way better than all the others.
What?
Yeah, I think so because it bring out the shine, the darkness of the hair, the true. If I didn't know, I would have said it was a wig, but it bring out the shine. I love it, and I think you should stick to this one.
So I should stick to this one.
Yeah,
And what's your point of view on the softness?
it's very soft. It's not. It's a little oily.
Okay, that's the moisture in the gel because the gel it is a moisturizing gel. That gel reminds me of the daddy gel, really and truly, because if you do this and if you
The daddy
touch it,
gel is much more wet. It's more how you
more
say like
glassy.
more glossy, a little wet.
Okay.
But this is more, it really look like, back in the days, the curly kids,
Yes,
Michael Jackson. Yeah, so
well, thank you so much, Patrick, for your honest review. And like how Patrick says, yes, this gel has a lot of moisture in it because it leaves your curls very soft and very moisturized. I even find as well, as Patrick said, my hair seems to be more darker. So that's how it leaves the curls looking well riched and well defined, no frizz in sight, and the curls are popping just like how I like it. So, what do you think about the price though, Patrick? The 13.95.
And I
Compare than my other gels that I usually pay for $5. 13.95.
Okay, first question. How many time can you use it?
Okay, I can get two wash wa- um two wash and goes out of it. So I use it once and I can use it one more time.
Well, okay, the price is not too bad, I find. 13 is it?
95.
95. It's not too bad. It's, it's good.
Okay then, so you'll be buying the other one for me.
Yeah, I can cheap man. Cheap. Alright.
You know how it is, okay? So, guys, if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. And also leave some comments down below. Let me know which gel should I try next.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Very good idea. Yeah.
Which gel do you want me to review?
But you think you could do that with the water alone? That wouldn't work, nothing wouldn't, like, just water.
Water in my hair,
Yeah,
like for wash and go.
just to see.
When I put water in my hair, it does weigh down my hair. My hair does get curly. But once it dries, it will be like a big poof with water only. But what I can do is I can try conditioner only.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
I can try conditioner only. And I've seen a lot of natural hair influencers, they do their wash and go with conditioners only. So this is something I can do on this channel as well. So, any last words before you go?
Nothing to add to it. Just happy to be on the channel. One second.
Okay, and before we go, Patrick, one day you have to do a wash and go for me. So my husband does my wash and go. You up for that challenge?
No problem. I could try. I see it every week, so I guess I know how to do it.
Okay, let's see. So guys, once again, thank you so much for viewing this video until the very end, and do like it, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Sometimes I
Bye.
hide, and sometimes I'm scared of you.